everyone, happy Halloween! Today I'm doing a Halloween home decor tour of all the Halloween decorations that I set up for this year, and I'll link to all the projects below for you to check out, starting with my Halloween front porch. So as you can see here, I've got a SPUTNIK style silver glitter wreath, and I use this year round, but on Halloween it's all set up with vintage witch, devil, and pumpkin postcards with a few cats and owls thrown in. And then for pumpkins, this year I decided to do some painted pumpkins. So you can see I've got a mid-century style cat with polka dots and a moon and stars pumpkin. And then over here I've got a spooky little owl pumpkin perched on a branch and a scary little spider on a web. And I'll walk you through the steps for all these pumpkins in a video that I'll link to below. I usually like to have a hay bale to give a spot to elevate my pumpkins and add that whole farm feeling. And then a couple of turquoise outdoor chairs with a black and white blanket and some orange pillows makes a nice cozy spot on the porch. And then my giant spider web. And this you can hang up with some hooks, and then on the ground I use little dabs of hot glue to just stick it onto the cement on my porch. So that is the look for my Halloween front porch, and now we can head inside to see the rest of my decorations. Charlie's trying to make a little break for it, but you gotta go inside, huh? Alright, let's go see the decorations. In the entryway, all of our guests will be greeted by these haunted dolls. We have a devil, a vampire, a witch, a couple of clowns, and a ghost, along with our flickering candle lantern Halloween tree. From the entryway, you can see into the kitchen where I have just a simple little display set up with orange lights and pumpkin lights, and my little baby Yodas in my houseplants. And I almost forgot our skeleton bat. This is probably my favorite room in the house right now because it has the most Halloween whimsy, starting with this orange and white felt table runner inspired by Catherine Home. And you can get these stencils on my site, which I'll link to below. And then these adorable World Market haunted houses. These light up and they have all sorts of cute details like ghosts, cactus, mid-century breed block, pumpkins, zombies coming out of the ground. And they also have some more of these at World Market, some different kinds available now that you can go check out. Then all of my Halloween trees, I've got my fabric Halloween trees made from poster board, hot glue, and then fabric strips. And then my black Halloween tree with shiny bright ornaments. And then my year-round decor, which are these mid-century wooden cat wall hangings that I've put on frames and canvas, and I'll link to that DIY too. And finally, in the living room, I've decorated this IKEA bookshelf with some of my favorite Halloween accessories. So I've got these ceramic Halloween trees, which are a throwback to mid-century times, so I love those. And they light up too, and you can put them on a timer. Then I've got my little pumpkin with some Hershey's Kisses. These are going fast. And some SPUTNIK candle holders, and my Halloween colored Catherine Home pieces, which are perfect this time of year. And then of course my orange couch, which is just made for Halloween. So that is our Halloween home decor tour, and we hope you liked it. Have a happy Halloween!